Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the writing exercise lesson. In this lesson, we're going to be covering how you are going to master writing the Arabic language. This is an essential part of the process. I absolutely urge everyone to perform and adhere to the writing exercises in the lessons, as this is going to contribute to you retaining all the knowledge and also contribute to your wider Arabic foundations. This writing exercise acts as a reinforcement to retaining all the knowledge that you've learned and then you will learn in this course. Skipping these exercises may actually impact your knowledge in the end to be able to read Quran. This is why it's important to absolutely adhere to all the writing exercises and complete them fully and utterly. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you need a book, random book. You need a pen or a pencil and possibly a ruler. But if you don't have a ruler, then that's okay. Now, preferably you want a book that has a grid, but if it's just horizontal lines, then that's fine as well. And now all we're going to do at the top is put 4 headings. So it's going to be isolated. You can put start for beginning. Sorry, my writing is terrible. Middle and end. As you can see, this is very rough. And it doesn't need to be perfect. And then we're going to draw some lines. So each of these rows and columns represent how a letter looks in the isolated form, how it will look in the beginning form, start form, the middle form, and the end form. Now, let's go for Alif. So when we start learning the alphabet, we're going to begin with Alif. And Alif is simple, like that. So that's how it appears on the alphabet. In the start form, it's the same. It's not friendly, so it doesn't connect the head. And since it's at the start, there's no letter before it. Now middle, like that. So obviously it doesn't connect the head. Remember, we write from right to left in Arabic. Yeah? So this will be the previous letter, and it will come into join to Alif, like that. So, yeah. And the end, same. Make it a bit more curvy. Now let's go for Ba. Ba. Okay. Ba, isolated form, 1 dot on the bottom. Now we're going to do start. Essentially, that's how Ba looks in the start form. Middle, it's got a tail coming from the other letter, goes up and on. Up and on. Very easy. Ba. And you'll find that for Ba, Ta, Tha, and some letters in the later lessons will have this similar concept. And for the end form, like that. You've got the letter previous to it here, and that ends with Ba. Okay? Let's go for Ta. Let's go here. So same, 2 dots on top, smiley face for Ta. So I'm sure you get it. Start form, as we said, similar concept for Ta. And yeah. And with each lesson, you will get better at writing these. Your handwriting will get much better. Now, obviously mine's crap. I have crap English handwriting, so don't expect much from me. Okay, so let's go for Tha. Same, 3 dots on top. 1, 2, 3. Middle, 1, 2, 3, and 3. Now, I hope you understand the concept. That's how simple this writing exercise is. As you enter each new lesson and you learn the next 2 letters, 3 letters, whatever it may be, the writing exercise will include all the previous letters, including the letters of that lesson. And that is the exercise. That is how we are going to retain all our knowledge practice our writing, and really sharpen our sword when it comes to letter identification. Let's go for Jim. 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 And with Jim in the middle, plus Ha and Kha, it'll go up, do its shape, right? And you'll just keep moving on. Now you can do a better job than me. But yeah. And right at the end, similar to how it was at the start. Now you can definitely do a much better job than me. And the same for Ha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zain. So that's the exercise. Drop a rough table and write out the letters like this. Now you can write in English next to it alif, ba, ta, tha, jim. You don't have to, but you can. And that, brothers and sisters, is how we perform the writing exercise. If you need any help, please reach out to me. And if you have any other questions, also please reach out to me. Wassalamu alaikum.